there.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to part 2 that we're lighting up some fireworks.
Thing's got a tiny flame.
Let's stay in the camera on my camera frame, okay? Hang on, buddy. Dad, help. There we go, there we go.
There we go. Now it's all
Now
better.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera, buddy. Let's do some movements in the camera. Up, down, side, side. Baby, you're a fire.
Look, Dad.
Aiden, come over here in the camera. Come on. Aiden, come on. Come run with me. Come on. In the circle. Come on.
No thanks. I don't want to do it.
You good.
You say cheers to 4th of July.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
To 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of
2024.
July. Ah!
That's great to hear, Addie, because I like it.
I know, I do too. I think mine's gonna go out first. Not sure. Maybe, Aiden's gonna go, Mine's out first.
That was right behind yours.
I don't know.